We kicked off Black History Month with Anthony Lindsay's workshop. We were proud to host a motivational talk for health and social care students by our alumni Gloria. Coffee mornings brought everyone together with delicious treats. All of us wore pink for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. The graduation day was a proud moment as graduates walked the stage and celebrated their success with family and friends. We organized a rejuvenating flower therapy session. Dasha Dollar inspired confidence with her amazing public speaking workshop. We had a well-being session with Bert and Sid. Diwali lit up our campus with joy. And to wrap up the month, a spooky, fun Halloween barbecue. Don't forget to join us at our Christmas fair.